Just making my YouTube vlog. Guys, I am just gonna say to Sangkay Janjan, Sangkay, you don't know what is corruption in the Philippines. When I say again, those people are saying Marcos never again. Oh, whenever they say Marcos never again, Marcos never again. Look at those people are. Oh, they are victim of martial law. You see that, Sangkay Janjan. Oh, you see my friend there, Kuya Bear. Kuya Bear is a victim of martial law. Of Marcos Senior. This is hard to say those idiot Marcos loyalists. This is very hard. This is very misunderstanding. I just accuse against Marcos loyalists, such as I accuse against my enemies who were Marcos loyalists. That's the reason. The reason was I accuse against my enemies such as Paulo Cruzada, Jean Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Teacher May Tiburcio, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Sangkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, and including Jordan Bunagan, and even MC Moa and Lassie Marquez. All of you don't know what is corruption in the Philippines. Take a look of the Guinness World of Record. Well, I was told by Matthew Timbal and Miggy Labitag, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. and his wife Imelda Marcos are the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. Even their son, Bongbong Marcos, was so of plunder when he was a senator of the Philippines during the time of Janet Lim Napoles. Is this those people you want to praise the criminals and corrupt in the Philippines? Ganyan ba kayo magsuporta kay Bongbong Marcos? He's corrupt. He's corrupt and he's a plunder. If I say to all of you, Bongbong Marcos is a plunder, Ferdinand Marcos Sr. is a plunder too. They are both plunder. They are just same as Benjamin Netanyahu and Park Geun-hye. They are the greatest robbery of the Guinness World of Record. Okay, I have to end this video.